Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
Welcome to Health Watch, presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. I'm Brittany Schaefer. This week's topic is reverse shoulder replacement.
Reverse shoulder replacement, it's a joint replacement surgery, so it's metal and plastic in your shoulder. We put the ball where the socket is and the socket where the ball is, and that's why it's called a reverse shoulder replacement. People that benefit most from this surgery are typically patients that have large rotator cuffs. Patients that are over the age of 60, they generally have pretty poor function in their shoulder.
What qualifies one to receive reverse shoulder replacement surgery?
Number one, they have to be healthy enough to undergo general anesthesia. They also need to have gone through, extensive physical therapy. And the other thing that we want patients to make sure of is that they're healthy enough generally.
How does a reverse shoulder replacement compare with other joint replacements?
Generally, the recovery is faster than a knee replacement and a little bit slower than a hip replacement. The nice thing with having a shoulder replacement, because it's an upper extremity, is that you can still walk, get out, and do things, and that's why generally the recovery is faster. The typical recovery with this generally takes about 6 weeks to 3 months. About half of the time, patients really don't need physical therapy. They just start using their arm and they actually do pretty well.